Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rush for Rush. Today we are going to learn and we are going to rectify our mistakes in sentences. You know, the most important part is to make a sentence. When you are writing some article or anything, we need a sentence. So today our topic could be sentence. We will focus on sentences. Understood? So as you know, we are very much familiar with three types of sentences. How many? Three kinds of sentences, not type. Three kinds of sentences. That is simple, compound, and complex. Compound and complex. As you know, simple sentence. Simple sentence is only with one finite verb. A small sentence, compound sentence, that is joined by two simple sentence joined by any coordinator. Complex sentence joined by also some coordinators, but one is subordinate clause, one is main clause. So our point of discussion today will be simple sentences. What we will learn about simple friends. Today we will discuss about simple sentences. You see, simple sentences are of five types: declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, and optative. As you know, you must know that simple any English. This is the very much peculiar thing in English, is that our English language starts with a capital letter. Never ever in any language it starts with any capital letter. Here it starts with a capital letter, maybe full stop, comma are also there. So today we are going to discuss about simple sentences, and the five sentences we can make active also, we can make interrogative also. So you see some examples of declarative sentences. Declarative sentences are also called, these are assertive sentences or negative sentences. Also it's called statement type sentences. In the statement type sentence, we use many of us, we use 90% of these declarative sentences. And declarative sentence may be negative, may be assertive. Okay, you see here, and you should know that in the simple sentence, here we have two parts. That is subject part and predicate part. So the sun rises in the east. Okay, it's a simple sentence, declarative, nothing to do. Okay, and I am a businessman. Here subject and predicate part. Subject and this is the subject part and this is the predicate part. The subject tells about what happens. Okay, rises in the east. The river does not. You can make it negative. I have made it negative also. मैं यहाँ पर इसको negative भी बनाया हूँ. The river doesn't flow near our village. Okay, इसका हम question बना सकते हैं. Does the river flow? Yes. Does the river flow? We will discuss about the imperative sentence. What is imperative? Imperative sentence says about request, command, suggestion, order, offerings, and desire. You can see here. Please close the door. Please close the door. What is it? Request. Please close the door. Okay. Now let's play football. It's a suggestion. चलो फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. Let's play football. It is what imperative sentence? Suggestion. May I come in, sir? You are requesting. You are what? You are requesting. May I come in, sir? You see, here the question mark is there, but it comes in imperative sentence. Now you can see here, let me never catch you smoking cigarette. Desire, my desire is that मैं तुमको और कभी सिगरेट पीते हुए पकड़ ना लूँ. It is my desire. Okay. So let me never catch you smoking cigarette. Don't spit on the floor. You are ordering. You are ordering, warning. Okay. Requesting, ordering also. Last, yes. Use mask when you are going out. Use mask when you are going out. It is also one of the suggestion you are giving. So imperative sentence, don't go, sit down, okay, go there. All these are imperative sentences when हम जब किसी को ऑर्डर देते हैं, डिजायर या सजेशन दे रहे हैं, देन और रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, इसे imperative सेंटेंस कहा जाता है. सो इट इज imperative सेंटेंस. हम इसको नेगेटिव बना सकते हैं. डोंट गो, देखो डोंट गो, लेट्स डोंट प्ले फुटबॉल, ये भी हम इसको हम नेगेटिव बना सकते हैं. यदि हम इसको नेगेटिव बना दें, लेट्स डोंट प्ले फुटबॉल, लेट्स डोंट प्ले फुटबॉल. ओके, हम जान गए कि ये सिंपल सेंटेंस का सेकेंड कैटेगरी है, दैट इज इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस. अभी हम जानेंगे इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस के बारे में. इंटरोगेटिव मीन्स आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. जानते हैं कि पुलिस इंटरोगेट कर रहा है, चोर को इंटरोगेट कर रहा है. इंटरोगेट मीन्स वो उसको क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. सो इट इज इंटरोगेटिव. आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस, किस तरफ से क्वेश्चन आस्किंग करना है अब हम बताएंगे. यू सी हियर, interrogative sentence means asking question type. Yes, you see these are of two types, WH type and yes no type. So what is WH type? WH type means there are 9 WHs. What are those? Whom, how, where, what, which, when, whose, why, who. These are WH. When we are asking WH type questions, an objective answer, you may elaborate it, but an objective answer is coming. एक छोटा सा उद्देश्य कर, जैसे हम पूछ सकते हैं what are you doing, मतलब कोई खा रहा है, what are you doing, eating, finished, eating. क्यों? the object is eating. उसको हम elaborate कर सकते हैं I am eating, but इसका आंसर होगा yes eating. Whose book is this? Naveen's. Now it is Naveen's book. Okay, so Naveen's one object is coming. हम जा रहे हैं yes how are you, fine, I am fine. ना बोल कभी हम fine, एक object, it is just coming an object. वैसे ही हम सभी का एक एक क्वेश्चन बना सकते हैं. ये WH टाइप में क्या होता है. एंड आखिर इसका मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज you have to give what? You have to give a what mark? That is question mark. That is the interrogation mark you have to put. ये तो गया WH टाइप का. अभी आएंगे हम लोग ये yes no टाइप. You can see yes no टाइप. yes no टाइप में वो क्या होता है, हम जब आंसर देते हैं when we are answering, वो yes या no से चालू होता है. उसके बाद हम बढ़ा सकते हैं, नहीं भी बढ़ा सकते हैं, लेकिन only it will come as yes. जैसे can you swim, हम इसे किससे चालू कर सकते हैं, all the auxiliary verb can, will, shall, should, is, are, am, इससे हम चालू कर सकते हैं. can you swim, वो किसी को पूछा गया तुम तैर सकते हो, तो वो फुल बोल सकता है, हाँ भी बोल सकता है. इसे yes I can swim, no I cannot swim. is your home near, तुम्हारे घर पास है क्या, यदि पास है तो yes पे आंसर हो गया. लेकिन उसको हम if you elaborate it, yes my home is near, no my home is not near. are you hungry, yes or no. yes are you hungry, yes I am hungry, तो yes I am hungry बोल सकते हैं. या यदि hungry नहीं है, no I am not hungry. are you yes do you like ice cream, तो वो आइसक्रीम चाहते हो क्या, yes I like ice cream or I don't like. So here it is coming yes or no. So yes no coming. So there are two types, WH type and yes no. In WH type what happens, the objective answer is coming when in yes no question में हमको yes या no response आ सकता है. Okay. You see the fourth number type of simple sentence is exclamatory sentences. Means a strong feeling. Strong feeling. हमारे मन में एक स्ट्रांग फीलिंग स्ट्रांग डिजायर जब होता है तो हम एक्सक्लामेटरी लगा सकते हैं एंड दिस इज एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस में हम नेगेटिव नहीं बना सकते हैं. क्या सुंदर है क्या सुंदर नहीं है ऐसा हम नहीं बोल सकते. सो यू सी हम कुछ उसको क्या एक्स्ट्रा फीलिंग कम्स. यू सी व्हाट ए ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस यू हैव. यू सी हियर व्हाट ए ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस यू हैव. सो हम यहाँ क्या लगाएंगे यहाँ पर देखो exclamation mark. Here we need an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Okay. What a beautiful voice you have. What a beautiful voice you have. Okay. उसके बाद may you soon be well. May you soon be well. Where may you soon be well. Yes. How hot it is. Means it is very much hot here. How much hot it is. How hot it is. If only I had been there. मैं वहाँ होता तो. If only I had been there. These are exclamations and exclamatory means we have our strong desire, strong feeling in our, so we use these what exclamatory sentences. Okay. The last one sentence is optative. ये बहुत सारे ग्रामरियन और बुक्स में ये ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस को नहीं दिया जाता है बट आई विल डिस्कस ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस इज ऑल्सो देयर. व्हाट इज ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. दैट इज विश सेंटेंसेस. व्हेन वी विश इट इज नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल बट वी कैन विश समवन. ओके यू कैन आई हैव टेकन सम एग्जांपल. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. मे गॉड इसमें हम लगा सकते हैं मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. हम भगवान आशीर्वाद दें या ना दें हमारे ऊपर वो नहीं है. तो मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. मे यू लिव लॉन्ग. मे यू लिव लॉन्ग ऑल्सो इट इज विश टाइप सेंटेंसेस. देखिए कंग्रेचुलेशन. यस वी आर कंग्रेचुलेटिंग. कंग्रेचुलेशन ऑन समवन सक्सेस ऑन someone getting some reward and wish you a happy birthday. These are some of the simple sentences. We categorized all the simple sentences into 5 types. What we have done? That is, first is declarative, second is imperative, third interrogative, fourth exclamatory, फिफ्थ इज ऑप्टेटिव. अगर इस कंटेंट में आपको कोई डाउट या कंफ्यूजन है तो मेरा कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखिए. अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.